So, good afternoon everyone, my name is Nathaniel Tiro. So introducing our business called PC Precision, Build, Repair, and Print. So welcome to PC Precision, your ultimate destination for all things computing in Liloan, Cebu. At PC Precision, we're passionate about technology and dedicating to providing high quality products and services to our customers. Whether you are a personal user looking to enhance your gaming experience or a small business in need of reliable IT solutions, we got you covered. From custom built PC to expert repair service and professional printing solutions, we're here to help achieve digital excellence. So next, our services: custom PC creation tailored to your exact specification. Our custom PCs deliver optimal performance for gaming, school, and the office needs. Computer repair service, from troubleshooting to hardware upgrades, our skilled technicians ensure your systems are running smoothly. Printing services, high quality printing for documents, graphic, and more, meeting both digital and physical demands. So why you choose PC Precision? First of all, expertise. With years of experience and a passion for technology, our team delivers unparalleled service and support. The second is quality. We use premium components and cutting-edge techniques to ensure the highest standards in all our product and services. Third is convenience. As your one-stop shop for all things computer related, we streamline the process, saving you time and hassle.
Lastly is your satisfaction. Your satisfaction
is our priority. We're dedicated to exceeding your expectations every step of the way. That's all.
So, good day everyone. So let's talk about our customer success stories. John B. He said, PC Precision transformed by gaming experience with a custom-built PC that handles the latest titles flawlessly. Their attention to detail and dedication to customer satisfaction are unmatched. Next is Aldrin B. He said, I can't thank PC Precision enough for rescuing my laptop from the brink of disaster. The repair services and saved me time and money, and now my device runs better than ever. Next is Charlene. She said, the printing services at PC Precision are a game changer for my small business. From flyers to business cards, their quality and reliability are unbeatable. They have become an essential partner in my marketing efforts. So here we have custom built PC, one of our services, our computer repair services, and also our printing services. So get in touch with us, PC Precision. Visit us, drop by our store in Liloan, Cebu to explore our products and services on firsthand. Contact us, reach out via phone number at 0905-56-01897 or email us at pcprecision@gmail.com with any inquiries or to schedule a consultation. Stay connected. Follow us on our social media for updates, promotions, and tech tips to enhance your digital experience. So thank you, and I hope you can visit our shop today, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, and every day.